How to use Personal Hotspot on your iPhone. With Personal Hotspot, you can share the cellular data connection of your iPhone with another device when you don't have access to a Wi-Fi network. Here's how. We'll show you how to share your Personal Hotspot and how to connect the device. Let's start by making your Personal Hotspot shareable. In Settings, tap Personal Hotspot. If Personal Hotspot isn't listed here, tap Cellular to enable this feature. If you still don't see it, contact your carrier to make sure you can use Personal Hotspot with your plan. If you're connecting one of your own devices that's signed into your iCloud account, your Personal Hotspot will automatically be available in your network list. To share your connection with your friends and other devices, tap Allow others to join. Your Personal Hotspot also has an auto-generated Wi-Fi password, but you can tap to change it anytime. Now let's connect the device to your Personal Hotspot. If you're connecting your iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, and then find the Personal Hotspot you'd like to use. If you're connecting your Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar in the upper right corner. Then select your Personal Hotspot from the list. It may take a moment to appear. You or your friend might need to enter the Personal Hotspot password found on the device that you want to connect to. Once you're connected, the Personal Hotspot icon will appear in the menu bar on your Mac or the status bar on your iPhone or iPad. You can then use the internet. To find out how many devices are connected to your Personal Hotspot, open Control Center on your iPhone, touch and hold the network setting card and look for Personal Hotspot. You can tap the Personal Hotspot button to stop sharing your connection with other devices. Now you know how to connect to a Personal Hotspot and share it with others.